proffer evidence to support that Combs subjected these victims to physical, emotional, and verbal abuse that caused the victims to engage in these freak-off events. Combs maintained control over his victims through, among other things, physical violence, promise of career opportunities, granting and threatening to withhold financial support, and by other coercive means, including tracking their whereabouts, dictating the victim's appearance, monitoring their medical records, controlling their housing, and supplying them with controlled substances. On and on and on.
I gotta say, aside from the physical violence, when you work in the entertainment industry, a lot of those things are just kind of par for the course. People want to get a job and want to get ahead in business, so they make their own decisions about who they want to engage with. Doesn't mean that just because he was more powerful, that his power somehow forced them to do that.
They've overcome that already. You've got Venturas as a witness. She is a partner of 11 years who's given clear testimony of her own being subjected to physical violence, which we know and is admitting to. She's testified to being involved in these freak-off events where she's forced to have sex with sex workers and coerced and controlled both physically, psychologically, and financially and otherwise. So that evidence, when you just simply look at it from the perspective of, yes, there's domestic violence here that's clear and admitted, it goes way beyond that, because this evidence now is a overall matrix of evidence supporting the core of the prosecution's case. The prosecution called last week a sex worker who testified about being paid to attend and do a number of acts with Miss Ventura. So they're locking that up fairly well.